The Sonic Alert Sonic Boom Sweetheart Alarm Clock SBH400SS. The Sweetheart Alarm Clock has a 1-inch rainbow-colored display that can be adjusted to 2 different levels of brightness. Display and alarm controls are located on the front of the Sweetheart Alarm Clock. The Sweetheart Alarm Clock has a loud 113 decibel buzzer with adjustable tone and volume. When the alarm is activated, bright LED lights flash above the display. The mode switch sets the alarm to activate with buzzer, vibrator, or both. The snooze button provides you with 9 minutes of snooze time and can be reactivated for up to 1 hour from the original alarm setting. All Sonic Boom alarm clocks feature battery backup systems that store your time and alarm settings in the event of a power failure, but will not provide power to the alarm clock. The Sweetheart Alarm Clock features a time format switch located on the back of the unit for USA and European locations. One of the key features of Sonic Boom alarm clocks is the Super Shaker Bed Vibrator. The Super Shaker Bed Vibrator can be easily placed between your mattress and box spring.